Are you tired of security cameras that run out of battery all the time? What if I told you there's a camera that never needs its battery replaced? This is the Reolink solar camera, a game changer for home security users. It's a solar-powered camera designed to solve the problem of constant battery replacements and provide a reliable security solution. The Reolink solar camera is perfect for those who want a hassle-free security system, and its innovative design makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to upgrade their home security. The Reolink solar camera has some impressive specs. It's got 5MP resolution, which means you get clear and crisp video. It's also got 360 degrees pan tilt, so you can see everything around it. It connects to Wi-Fi on both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies, making it easy to set up and use. It can store up to 1 terabyte of footage, which is a lot of storage space. It's also got AI detection, which means it can detect people and animals and send you alerts. And the best part is it's solar powered, so you never need to worry about running out of battery. Additionally, the camera has a weather-resistant design, making it perfect for outdoor use, and it's also got night vision, so you can see what's going on even in the dark. These specs matter because they provide a complete security solution. The high resolution means you can see what's going on clearly. The pan tilt feature means you can see everything around the camera. The Wi-Fi connectivity means you can access the camera from anywhere. The storage space means you can keep a lot of footage. The AI detection means you get alerts when something happens. And the solar power means you never need to worry about the camera running out of battery. The camera specs are also customizable, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. For example, you can adjust the motion detection sensitivity, and you can also set up custom alerts, so you only get notified when something important happens. Imagine having this camera at your front door, and being able to see who's coming and going. Or imagine having it in your backyard, and being able to see if anyone's trespassing. These are just two scenarios where this camera can be really useful. You could also use it to keep an eye on your pets, or to monitor your home while you're away on vacation. The possibilities are endless, and the Reolink solar camera is versatile enough to fit into any security setup. In real-world use, the camera has been shown to be incredibly effective, with many users reporting a significant reduction in crime and vandalism after installing the camera. So what's the verdict? I think this camera is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable security solution. The best things about it are its solar power and AI detection. The only downside is that it can be a bit pricey. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. However, considering the cost savings of not having to replace batteries, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure, I think it's well worth the investment. If you're interested in getting one of these cameras, I'll put a link in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. I'll see you in the next video.